but then the question will be, if any such application comes from an affected party, आपके लिए तो ये फिर नहीं होगा ना. वो आके कहेगा कि मेरा ट्रायल कंप्लीट हो रहा था, आपने रुकवा दिया.
Right. So
या मुझे जजा मिले या सजा मिले.
Right.
अगर वो आपको क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है?
नहीं, हमें नहीं फर्क पड़ रहा है, but there are people who have reached out. वो ये कहते हैं कि जी हमारा केस, otherwise, I mean, there are accused persons.
We will inshallah wrap it up soon, the case. If they waited so long, wait a couple of weeks, inshallah.
आप चाहते हैं कि नैब आके कह दे कि जी we don't want to pursue further.
No.
आप विड्रॉ करना चाहते हैं. बहुत से
नहीं, वो नैब नहीं, वो तो
हमारे सामने आए थे. 3 साल तक एक शख्स को जेल में रखा और यहाँ पे आके we have come to the conclusion that there no case is made out against him.
उसका तो I'm sure कोई बंदोबस्त सब आप करेंगे इन प्रोसीडिंग्स में.
Yeah, I don't know if we can do it here.
किसी को जेल में बिठाने के बाद कहो.
Attorney General साहब, there was a time where the High Courts couldn't grant pre-arrest bail, because this court had laid down the law.
ये ठीक है, ये ठीक है आप.
लोगों के साथ जुल्म भी बहुत हुआ है. अब आपने ये सेटिस्फाई करना है कि आज तो नहीं हो रहा है.
नैब करेगी सर.
नहीं, आप
मैं तो
अपील आपकी तरफ से.
I don't, but वो तो लॉ की कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनैलिटी की हद तक है.
अच्छा, इसमें लिखिए, Mr. Makhdoom Ali Khan, I want you to be here, so if we're getting the proposition, you want to articulate it as you want it.
एक चीज जरा आप just for my lord's.
हाँ, did you find out परसों तक हो जाएगा? वीडियो लिंक कैसे आप करेंगे वो आप अरेंज कर दीजिए.
जी सर, मैं I'll intimate day after tomorrow or the next day. मैं आपको भी intimate कर दूंगा.
नहीं, इंटीमेट क्या, आप कर लीजिए ना, हम उसको फिक्स कर देते हैं केस को.
जैसे
परसों हम कर देते हैं फिक्स.
ठीक.
क्या मुश्किल क्या, आप तो टेक्नोलॉजी
तो आपके पास तो है, वहाँ पे करनी है बात.
नहीं, आपको बस पता नहीं कैसे लिंक अप करेंगे. जैसे क्या जाके उधर लैपटॉप लगाना होगा, क्या लगाना होगा. जूम,
we'll find out.
जूम तो जरी सिंपल.
we'll find out sir.
Your Honor, अगर इजाजत हो कि if the respondent number 1 be called in person, अगर वो खुद आ जाए.
नहीं, you are representing the provincial assembly, तो provincial government. Attorney General साहब, you have to ensure that it functions, the video link, otherwise the proceedings would have to be adjourned.
My lord, I understand.
So the onus is on you.
My lord.
So they won't be adjourned, there will be consequences.
Oh, sorry.
With my lord's permission. Otherwise they'll take the easy way out.
My lord, उसमें एक चीज जो मैंने भी request की थी with respect to paragraph number 5. Now there might be cases where cases of no evidence, let's say, cases of no evidence before the trial courts. Now if my lords are minded to conclude it in 2 weeks, which is fine.
We are every intention to do so as early as possible. I have to be away for a very short period of time.
That's right. But that's what I had in mind. So therefore,
inshallah, we will. That's why we want to do it before, and then, I mean.
चले फिर अगर ये केस conclude हो जाता है तो which is fine.
इसमें लिखिए.
ठीक है. Next week.
On the last date of hearing, to the respondents. Respondent number 1. Is he the respondent number 1 in all the cases? Respondent number 1, respondent number 1 in inter-court ICAs number 2 and 3 of 2023, and respondent number 3 in ICA number 4 of 2023, namely Mr. Imran Ahmed Khan Niazi, is presently confined in Central Jail, Rawalpindi, and was delivered certified copy of the order passed by this court and the paper books of the ICAs. Full stop. He has sought, in our order we had permitted him to be represented through counsel, but he has stated that he wants to personally argue the matter. Full stop. The federal government, ये नीचे आपके आता है, ये रावलपिंडी जेल आपके नीचे आता है.
No, sir. So this is
The federal government and the government of Punjab
this. Yes.
are accordingly directed to make arrangements to ensure that the said respondent can hear and address this court through video link. ठीक? Full stop. We note that the respondent number one who had filed the petition, एक petition थी, मखदूम साहब एक petition थी?
Yes, madam.
Who had approached this court was represented through a number of counsel, including senior counsel Khwaja Haris Ahmed. Full stop. We inquired from the advocate, the respondent number two. We inquired from the counsel representing. आप counsel हैं या office holder हैं? आपसे पूछ रहे हैं. हाँ.
I am Additional Prosecutor General.
We inquired from the Additional Prosecutor General of the National Accountability Bureau, bracket में कर दें NAB, whether he is supporting the appeals or opposing it, and he stated that NAB is supporting the appeals. Correct? Full stop. Notices had also been issued to the Advocate Generals of the provinces, and except the Advocate General of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, the other Advocate General to TWO support the appeals. Full stop. Since to ensure that the matter is attended, that to ensure a proper hearing, and as respondent number one wants to address in person, we think it appropriate to issue notice to learned senior counsel Khwaja Haris Ahmed, who had assisted this court in the same matter in the earlier round of litigation, to represent the respondent number one. It is clarified that this does not mean that the respondent number one will not be able to address the court, but we expect Khwaja is to assist us on legal points. We want to clarify that respondent number one, this does not mean the respondent number one will not be able to address the court. Full stop. In case senior counsel will only attend upon payment of fee, let him submit so, and the court will pass further orders in this regard afterwards. Full stop. We requested, इसमें लिखें, Mr. Makhdoom Ali Khan has formulated the following propositions, which are also adopted by Mr. Farooq H. Naik, who appears for one of the other appellants. Do you want to add to the propositions, Attorney General?
No, I think it's pretty much covered everything, sir.
And as well as the learned Attorney General for Pakistan and the Advocate Generals of the said three provinces who are supporting the appeals. Full stop. रिप्रेजेंट करता है?
एडवोकेट जनरल इस्लामाबाद से।
अच्छा, वहाँ वो कौन है?
वो अभी गए सर, वो टू इंक्वायर अबाउट द अरेंजमेंट्स व्हिच हैड टू बी पुट इन प्लेस।
What was his point of view?
नोटिस सुने
So he accepts.
No, he is also supporting.
जी, he supports.
तो उनका भी लिख दीजिएगा इस्लामाबाद वाले का, ठीक है? ये हो गया। अच्छा, अब आपके propositions लिख रहे हैं, कोलन the majority judgment is a nullity in law as it was passed by an court. How would you like to frame it? Let's use your language.
It was passed by a bench of this court,
Of this court,
which was constituted
which was not constituted in accordance with.
which was not
Constituted in accordance with section
4 of
section 4 of the Supreme
2,
Court.
3 and 4.
Huh?
2 to
Section
4.
2 and 4 of the Supreme Court within bracket Practice and Procedure bracket close Act 2023, and resultantly the same is quorum non judice.
My lord.
Full stop. The bracket में act कर दें. The act was enacted on 21 April 2023 and challenge thereto was thrown. वो किसने चैलेंज किया था एक्ट? वो भी इन्हीं ने किया था, रिस्पॉन्ड नंबर 1 ने, which the challenge to which was thrown, but most of its provisions, including section 2 and 4, were upheld by this court. White judgment dated blank लिख दें, रिपोर्ट हो गई है या नहीं?
जी सर।
रिपोर्टेड इन, वो भी लिख दीजिएगा। हाँ, 11 ये शॉर्ट ऑर्डर है लॉन्ग ऑर्डर है? विच द शॉर्ट ऑर्डर विच जी रिपोर्टेड बताइए ना। अच्छा, वो पर लिख दीजिएगा रिपोर्टेड में। अच्छा, एक ही आपका कंटेंशन हो गया, फुल स्टॉप।